My name is Andreas Pocha. I'm a lawyer, and since 2001 I'm the managing director of the German Demolition Association. I think it's very important because more and more input comes from Brussels concerning the whole EU, and there we can nothing do as a single country, as a single association. So working together on a European level, and that is what EDA does for us, does for the European demolition industry, is very good and very necessary. Well, we have spoken about that yesterday in the EDA board meeting, and the German demolition market is in a very good condition. There is a lot to do, but I heard from other countries that they have increased, that there is a little crisis. So when we stand together, perhaps all the other countries say that it will go up in the next years. This is, as we have heard today in many presentations, the regulation about environmental. This is in all countries very different and not satisfied solved. So this is for me the main topic, the legislation about environmental. Well, I think EDA has meanwhile very good connections to the EU Commission and to the relevant speakers there, and they shall take their influence to get a solution in our sense.